Hello class, I did promise you I will show you practically, theoretically how to connect solar panels in either series or parallel. You connect them in series or in parallel depending on whether you want a high voltage or a high current, or you want the current to be low, you want the voltage to be low, depending on what you want. But in the course of the training, as I'll be uploading different videos, you will know the one to choose. So let's assume this is panel A. We have panel B here. Then we have the positive terminal, negative terminal, positive and negative. Now, when you connect the positive to the negative terminal of panel A to the positive terminal of panel B, if this panel is, let's say, 30 volts and this one is also 30 volts, if you connect them in series connection is positive to negative. Positive, you connect the positive terminal of panel A, the negative terminal of panel A to the positive terminal of panel B. Once you do that, the voltage will increase. So the total voltage you will have here, the output, this is the voltage here. So here will be positive terminal, here will be negative terminal. So the output voltage you will have, it will be 60 volts. When you connect two panels in series, their voltage will increase. So this is panel A, 30 volts, panel B, 30 volts. Once you link the negative terminal of panel A to the positive terminal of panel B, it is series connection. The output current, voltage, will be 60 volts. This is the positive and the negative terminal. Now we have the parallel connection. Like I told you, tomorrow I will show you practically. So parallel connection. Parallel. We have panel A. We have panel B. This is positive terminal, negative, positive, negative. Now in parallel, you connect the positive terminal of panel A to the negative, the positive terminal of panel A, you connect it to the positive terminal of panel B. The negative terminal of panel A, you connect it to the negative terminal of panel B. That is positive to positive, negative to negative. So this is what we have. Positive here, and you have negative here. So the output voltage, let's assume here is 30 volts and the current of this panel is, let's say, 5 amps. Here is 30 volts, 5 amps. When you connect them in parallel, the voltage will remain the same. You have 30 volts, but the current will double. You have 10 amps. But if it is in series where you connect negative to positive, positive to negative, if it is in series connection, this one here will be, it will be 60 volts and 5 amps. In series connection, the voltage increase, but the current remains the same. In parallel connection, the current increase, but the voltage remains the same. Let me take it again. In parallel connection, when you're connecting solar panels in parallel, the voltage remains the same, but the current will increase. It will double. If it is 5 amps, when you connect them in parallel, what you have is 10 amps, but the voltage will remain the same, 30 volts. But if it is in series, the voltage will increase, 60 volts, but the current will remain the same. Now we have different voltage systems when you're sizing or installing a solar system. We have different voltage system. We have 12 volt systems, we have 24 volt systems, we have 36 volt system, we have 48 volt, we have 96 volts, we have I think 120 volts. So it depends on your inverter, your charge controller. If it is MPPT, when we get to charge controllers, you know they're the MPPT charge controllers and the PWM charge controllers. So tomorrow, like I told you, I will show you practically with a digital multimeter. When you connect them in series, we'll use our meter, test the voltage and the current to see if there's an increase or they are still the same. If it is whatever parallel series, tomorrow I will show you. Thank you.